Hi guys, this is Thomas the Truck Master Engine. So today we're going to do a tutorial video so how to make engines go back to us. So what you need is you need an engine which is optional. This is also optional. You can use anything like Thomas or Truckmaster and Playwheel. It's also optional, and screwdriver and aluminum foil. So what you need first let's start with Percy, which is a player of Percy. So player of Percy, and this, but remember guys, this any train is optional because you don't have to use screwdriver in this time. For Percy, you don't have to use screwdriver because you see the part. You can just do like this. Oh. Okay, so here's the shell, and this one is much optional. So you can take out the berry for voice, and then share the aluminum foil. And you must do like this, and yeah, you must always do like this for that. And then once you're done, you need to flip do this. You cannot stop it. If you do like this, you need to rotate again like this, opposite way, because if you do the correct way, otherwise it won't work because it will move forward again. So you need to do like this. Be careful of the compartment. This is so hard. Once you're done, put the shell back. Be careful. Ouch. And when you're done, see, you're done. And see, you can do that. And for those like the motor like this, you need to use screwdriver like this one. And I forgot to say, if it's a Fisher Price version, if it's a Hit Toy company, you don't have to do that. You just do like this and remove. That's easy. Hit Toy company, it's one of the easiest way to remove the shell. You don't have to use the thing like this. And for Fisher Price, you have to remove the middle part by using screwdriver and do like that. For those who Fisher Price, before they turn down, before they update it again. Otherwise, before they turn into the train share version, no longer with the 2013, which no longer the model like that, like this one, like the model. So and for the handle, for example, you need to use screwdriver. You need to use screwdriver or this. So unscrew the one, and then take out the barrier like I say, and then okay. 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 And then screw back. And then you're done too. But doing this with aluminum foil is very tricky because sometimes it doesn't. You need to do correctly. You have to do correctly. So I wish that. Thanks for watching, liking it, and also you can even tell me in the comments about the tutorial. So have a good luck.